how I trimmed up and dwarfed this Barrett pear. This is the one that William got me. So I used a basic pruning shears. I trimmed it right here. It was growing straight up in the middle. And I trimmed that one off as soon as I saw these two sprouts, one lower and one higher. Sometimes they're closer together. But as soon as two branches come out of the sides, that's when you want to chop it right off in the middle in the top there. And then you want to protect it. And you have ways to protect trees once you have cut them. I used a prune sealer. Okay, it comes out as paint. It's very messy. Put on a rubber glove. You put your hand around where you're going to spray paint it, and you spray paint that top right there. It really needs it. And as soon as I did that, this tree just spruced right up. I used some hose here, which is really useful for many projects, including the drip irrigation we put in. And here was that other one I wanted to make sure to show you. You just use a stick and a tree wound, and this would be for like a bigger tree. If you want to protect your trees after you've trimmed them, that's the way to go. And now you can see how these other branches have now formed. So it's becoming very full. It just needs a little stability here still because it's pretty thin, but this trunk is going to thicken up. And so that's a neat part of this tree. It's now flourishing and it's not going to be as tall. So a great dwarfing. You can experiment. I just love these fruit trees. It's such a easy and great way to create different fruits and proteins from a tree versus having animals on the property and a lot of livestock to take care of. Whatever works for you, just trying to inspire you guys to think, to be creative, to come up with your own ideas, to start an orchard or a garden and just start growing some things. I think you'll be impressed with your ability.